we go, another Speargun review. This one is going to be the Beuchat Mundial competition. Last review was on a ARCA competition. Had some issues with the trigger assembly on that, which I'll cover a little more detail. So this is the replacement. The issue I had with the ARCA competition was with the trigger assembly. Now this is the Mundial. I'll put up a clip of what was wrong with the ARCA in the video. But up in the top you can see a crack in the ARCA. And that was the trigger assembly uses the top plastic to hold the spear down to the trigger assembly. If that plastic cracks, it's no longer being held down, so that spear can let go and let go pretty quick. The Mundial has an entirely different spear holding mechanism. Attached a picture should be here. That shows it's got a metal upper plate that holds the spear against, so it can completely hold the spear in place and not just let it go. The trigger assembly on the Mundial definitely feels a whole lot better than the ARCA. As soon as you touch it, there's no slop like the ARCA. See, pushes aside a little bit. It's not exactly solid. You feel it, and you feel tension right off the bat. On the back side of the handle, there's actually the butt pad for loading your slings that the ARCA competition didn't have. This one does. It's got the same white handle as ARCA. A lot of features are still the same with the ARCA, like the automatic release for the line, little holders here. The tube on the Mundial versus the ARCA, this is a 28mm tube as opposed to the 25 that the ARCA had. Length of this is still 75 centimeters, which is the same as the ARCA that I had. The bands are the same 16mm. This is still the same as the ARCA. The muzzle connection still has the bands directly in line with the shaft. Has a spot to put a secondary set of bands, so you can always add to it. The muzzle is a closed muzzle to somewhat hold the shaft down while you're shooting, so you don't have to pull a string over it. Shaft, same shaft. The safety on the Mundial seems to be a lot easier to engage and disengage than on the ARCA, which gives me a little better feeling of it actually being on and not having just to jam something into it. Shaft support, same as the ARCA, right in the middle. We have just a little part-weight support. Again, they do make shaft guides to put all along the top of the barrel. However, I'd have to get it 28mm as opposed to 25mm for this Mundial. One thing that has gotten me curious on the Mundial is this little thing. Looks like it has some type of indicator here. This rotates. As you rotate it, you can see the trigger mechanism moving, but I'm not sure exactly what it does. If anybody knows, please comment down below. Let me know.